You know, Andre, it's real sad that we have to keep on saying this over and over again each time it starts getting hot out there. Just use your common sense. Heat is up again out there this afternoon. It feels like it's in the 90s already. And even though it may not be feeling hot to you, you leave anything in the car, pets, animals, kids, just don't do it. Check your backseat before you leave. There's a live look outside from our beach camera. Very popular this afternoon. It's going to be a popular spot all week long with the temperatures on their way up to the triple digits by the time the week is out. Just the air temperatures, by the way. When you factor in the humidity, 110 easy by Friday and into Saturday with no real big-time relief in the forecast, not only through the weekend, but at least through the first half of next week, and no big rain chances either. There's satellite imagery showing us some fair weather clouds starting to pop up due to the daytime heating right through Hampton Roads here, south side through northeast North Carolina. That's just going to make it look pretty nice outside for the rest of the afternoon. The clouds mixing in with the sunshine out there. No rain out there, though, on the radar imagery. That's some good news. And as we go through futurecast here, you see those clouds, maybe a 10% chance of a pop-up shower or two, mainly off to the south into northeastern North Carolina. That'll really be about it through the later part of the day today. Overnight tonight, skies are clear. We'll fall back into the mid-70s. Still very muggy out there, so not the nicest sleeping weather. But tomorrow, we crank up the heat once again into the mid-90s. Here we are in the lunch hour at 87 already at Norfolk International. But with the humidity, it feels like 93. It's 86 in Surrey, 89 now in Melfa, 86 in Chesapeake, 90 in Williamsburg, 88 Gatesville, 79 though in Duck, and at the beach, 82 degrees. Humidity up everywhere above that 70-degree mark. Once you cross that threshold, it feels tropical out there, and that's exactly what it feels like, and it's been that way for weeks now, and it's not going anywhere anytime soon. So you put those numbers together, this is what it feels like outside. 96 in Gloucester, feels like 91 out the door in Chesapeake, 92 Wakefield, 98 in Williamsburg. Feels like 100 right now in Gatesville in North Carolina. It's only going to get a little bit hotter as we go through the rest of the afternoon. Usually the hottest time of the day, 3 to 4 o'clock. So that's when the heat index value will be the highest as well, into the mid to upper 90s out there across the board before things start to cool down a little bit. If you are heading to the beach, you get a little bit of some of that relief. Be a little bit cooler, 88 degrees down there at the ocean front. Water temperature up as well. Still feeling refreshing, though, if you jump on in to cool down. 75 to 80. UV index around a 10. Which is very high for this time of the year. You'll burn in about 15 minutes if you're not properly protected. But look where we are heading, 100, the century mark on Friday. Just the air temperature. With the humidity, 110, 112, easy. Very little relief through the weekend, 98, 99, and then really into the middle of next week, we're still above that 90-degree mark. So going to add several more days to that 90-degree tally that we have going, which sits at 32 days now on the year. 91 degrees outside this afternoon, partly cloudy skies, getting hot and getting humid, as we're already seeing. Tonight down to 75, mostly clear, muggy with winds out of the southwest at 5 to 10. And here's an early look at your upcoming weekend. A hot one, 98 on Saturday, 99 Sunday. The only real relief, chance for an isolated storm or shower each afternoon, just driven by the daytime heating. And you notice that in the 7-day forecast, you don't see really any organized areas of unsettled weather at all through the next 7 days. Just that pop-up shower or storm chance each afternoon that may bring some minor relief to a few select people in the afternoon and evening.
Few select.
Few select. 1 out of 5, we'll say.
Got it.
All right.